Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Selective estrogen receptor modulators. Selective estrogen receptor modulators include 1. Clomiphene citrate. Clomiphene citrate is used for ovulation induction. Second, tamoxifen. Tamoxifen acts as antagonist on the breast and it is used for managing estrogen receptor positive or ER positive breast carcinoma. It acts as an antagonist in vagina and thus causes vaginal dryness. It acts as agonist on bones and thus used in the management of osteoporosis. It acts as agonist of estrogen on lipids and thus it is cardioprotective. It acts as agonist on uterine endometrium, leads to endometrial cancer, endometriosis, adenomyosis, and polyps. It can also bring ovulation induction. Reloxifin. Reloxifin is also an selective estrogen receptor modulator.
thank you and thank you for watching.